Hey guys, so today I'm doing a look on my cousin Angie.
Hi.
You guys probably seen her in my latest vlog. Yeah, we're gonna do this look and it's a brick red kind of pinky tone look. So yeah, just keep watching.
Stick around.
Yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is primer. We're gonna use the Professional first. Let's see. Can I get it in frame? There you go.
Got that boy on my nose.
Oh shoot, I'm in the frame. This is the Guerlain primer that Angie uses. 2 pumps is good? That looks a lot.
Yeah, I usually just use 1 pump.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You just run it down on my neck. That'll be good.
Oh yeah. Don't neglect the neck. And then we're gonna go straight into foundation. She has the Hourglass. What color is this? Golden tan.
Hopefully this is my color. Don't neglect the neck.
Oh yeah. See, I neglected it. And then we're gonna take a booty blender and then dab.
Is
Yeah,
it matching me, this color? My little tan.
Yeah, you a little tan. It's okay though.
Bro, I can see that tanness on my neck.
I feel like I've been blending for years.
Yeah, feels like it's been a minute.
This is how I do my face though. We're gonna do concealer and then we're gonna set right away because that's what I do too.
I think I have like a fear of concealer.
I did too.
I just have a fear of like using too much because like using too much concealer is just stressful because I feel like you blend for years.
We're using the RCMA no color powder. We're gonna bake.
Oh, this looks like a real YouTube tutorial right now with all the powder everywhere.
It's a Patrick Star tutorial.
Yes, I love that. You bake for like 2 minutes, girl.
Yeah, I don't like to go too heavy because then you start getting creases. Open. Wow, your skin looks flawless though.
It's a good powder.
It is. Wow. I'm shook. And then after this, we're going straight into brows. This is the Maybelline brow pencil. I don't know what color this is, but Angie says it's dark brown, so we're just going to go with it. Is there color on this?
Probably.
I see it now. I was like, maybe that's just a shadow. Literally blue is coming on your eyebrows.
Oh, blue? That's weird. I usually don't use blue.
Yeah. Is it from this? The brush? The actual brush?
I doubt it.
Okay, how do I clean this? Look at that.
It's black. I use it for eyeliner.
Bruh.
Just going back in with the Kat Von D concealer to clean up my brows.
Okay, so now we're gonna do bronzer. We're gonna use the Lorac Tan. What's this?
Tantigo.
Tantigo bronzer. We're gonna mix these two there.
Yeah, but not too much of the dark shade because it's really dark on me.
So now we're gonna do blush. We're gonna use the Too Faced. I don't know. I Will Always Love You blush. It's like a kind of peachy color with a Real Techniques blush brush. Now for highlighter, we're gonna use the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. Do you guys remember this? This was such a the highlighter when it came out. Wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to put some on the tip of the nose. Now we are gonna do the eyes. So we're gonna use the Anti-Aging Urban Decay Potion Primer. Do you swipe or do you tap or swipe and tap?
I think I swipe. I'm more of a swiper, even though I probably shouldn't because, you know, eye tissue wrinkles really easily, but I'm a swiper.
Swiper, no swiping. So we're actually gonna use the Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette.
Huda Booty.
Huda Booty.
Ooh, I can do that thing.
Where?
I've always wanted to do that.
We're kind of doing a red look, but we're gonna need a base color. So we're gonna use the first shade, Desert Sand. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Let me grab this like super defined brush. It's okay. I don't know if you would consider that defined,
Dense.
but dense. There you go. We're gonna take a fluffy brush, Real Techniques, and then we're gonna use Musk, the color next to the one that we just used, or a transition shade. And then we're gonna use Saffron, this like red brick kind of color, right here with the same brush. Run that where the transition shade is. Yeah, we're gonna take a Real Technique shader brush. Then, since we use Saffron, we're gonna go in with Oud. Oud? What?
I think it's Oud.
Oud. O-U-D. Just know I tried. And we're gonna put this in like the outer V. Now, I'm just gonna use my handy dandy index finger.
Turn it so they can see on time.
And then we're gonna use Blood Moon, the color next to Oud or Ode. And then let me go real quick with Saffron. I just went back in with Saffron a little bit, and it wasn't looking as pigmented. Now let me go back with Desert Sand so I can blend everything out. Okay, we're gonna go into the eyeliner, and this is the NYX matte liquid liner. The camera just wants to get you, bro. There you go. Okay, so we just finished the eyeliner and other eye off camera, but we're gonna add the lower lash line color on this eye, and we're gonna use just Saffron. That's all we're using. So Angie's gonna curl and put her mascara on by herself, but she's gonna use Lash Paradise. Okay, so now we're done with like the eyes. So now we're gonna put lipstick on, and we're gonna use the Anastasia lipstick. What color is this? Spice, the matte lipstick. It's a cute color, matches her eyes.
Yes, you did a great job.
Thank you. You know, I try to whatever. That's the look. Okay, so I probably look like a mess, but yeah, that's the finished look. My beautiful cousin, we did like what would we call this? Like a
very
raspberry
warm look. Is it raspberry?
I
would just say warm.
Warm, but what color is this? Like a burnt brick red, like a brick red look, kind of. Yeah, with like pinky tones. But yeah, this is a look. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
It's back. Soft, soft, soft stab. To the gods.
To the gods. Beat to the gods. Where's that color coming
It's
from?
warm, right? It looks really warm.
Edit anything out. I'll probably edit me talking about editing this out.
I think you look like anyone else doing makeup. Yo, I look beat to the gods. Where we going? Oh yeah, we're going to Dairy Queen, get us some ice cream. We're just walking like, can I have some ice cream?